Hi guys, it's Luke back again with another app for you to try this week. This time we're going to have a look at this brilliant app, Monster Park AR. You can try this app right now for no cost and it's available on both Android and iOS. Choose a flat surface with plenty of light and your monster will appear in your house or garden. Touch the screen to move your dinosaur and go for a walk. Get creative with this app. Take photos with the dinosaur or take him on different mini adventures. Why not create a story using props or cats in the house or garden? You can use this app to be more active. Take your dinosaur for a walk, but be careful of the roads, or why not just play with him in the garden? So this app, it would be good for anyone who likes stories, who likes adventures, or just being active. Taking the dinosaur for a walk is definitely exciting and fun. It really feels like the dinosaur is with you even though you're just looking at a screen. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy looking at the app Monster Park AR. Have lots of fun and stay safe. Bye!